Sushrut was born in 600 BC and lived in Banaras. He was the founding father of surgery and plastic surgery. Mahabharat, an ancient epic Indian text, represents him as the son of Vishwamitra. The name Sushruta appears in later literature in the Bower manuscript in China, where Sushruta is listed as one of the 10 sages residing in Himalayas. Maharishi Sushruta is a legendary scholar of the Indian medical sciences, that is Ayurveda, and founding father of surgery. Maharishi Sushruta, together with his colleagues, had conducted the variety of complex surgeries such as caesareans, artificial limbs, cataract surgery, urinary stones, fractures, and most especially the plastic surgery. The followers of Sushruta were called as Sushrutas. He was the pupil of Dhanvantari and composed a treatise called Kalpaveda. Sushrut also mentioned in Agni Puran and Garud Puran. Vagbhat mentions Maharshi Sushrut in his epic text Ashtanga Hridayam. The origin of plastic surgery had its own roots more than 4000 years old in India. Back to the Indus River civilization, this era is referred to as Vedic period, during which the four Vedas, that is Rig Veda, the Sam Veda, the Yajur Veda, and Atharva Veda, were compiled. All the four Vedas are in the form of shlokas, verses, and incantations. It is written in Sanskrit language. Sushrut Samhita is believed to be a part of Atharva Veda. The text is the oldest known text of Ayurveda. It is the part of the three classic Ayurvedic texts, that is Charaka Samhita and Ashtanga Hridayam. It is the oldest known document on surgery in the world. In modern times, the copy of Sushrut Samhita is kept in Kesar Library in Nepal and Los Angeles County Museum of Art in America. In Sushrut Samhita, there is many therapeutic methods to increase the glow of face. Brain surgery is also mentioned in Sushrut Samhita. The modern form of Sushrut Samhita was propounded by Nagarjuna in 12th century. In Sushrut Samhita, there is detailed description about the experiments, surgical procedures, and medicinal vegetations which was prescribed by Sushrut. The text divided into 6 chapters, that is Sutra Sthana, Nidan Sthana, Sharir Sthana, Chikitsa Sthana, Kalp Sthana, and Uttar Sthana. It consists of 184 parts, contains description of 1120 illnesses, 700 medicinal plants, 64 preparations from mineral sources, and 57 preparations based on animal sources. The text discusses surgical techniques of making incisions, probing, extraction of foreign bodies, tooth extraction, and excisions. The instruments which are used in surgery, named as Ardh Adhara, Atimukha, Ara, Badisha, Dant Shanku, Eshani, etc. He was also mentions the surgical treatments of draining hydrocele and acetic fluids, removal of prostate glands, viscolithotomy, hernia surgery, laparotomy, management of intestinal obstructions, and fracture management. There are some measures of rehabilitation and fitting of prosthetics. classification of bones and their reaction to the injuries, 12 varieties of fractures, and 6 types of dislocations are mentioned in Sushruta Samhita. There was foolproof cure of cataract surgery described in Sushruta Samhita. In 18th century, there is an Arabic translation of Sushruta Samhita as Kitab-e-Sustrud. In the beginning of the practice of surgery is on fruits and vegetables and later on dead bodies. There is a detailed description about the extraction of cancerous tissues from cell by the surgery. Neurosurgery and cosmetic surgery is also a very crucial part of Sushruta Samhita. His surgical specialty was rhinoplasty, that means the reconstruction of nose. He is also called the father of anesthesia because he believed the unconsciousness of patient during surgery. Sushruta Samhita, which describes the ancient tradition of surgery in Indian medicine, is considered as one of the most brilliant gems in the Indian medical literature.